Hey everyone, Vinayak here. The included monitor stand that I got with this monitor didn't have much freedom with how I could orient my monitor. It only allowed angling but no up and down motion. So getting it to an ergonomic position to use was troublesome. So I changed it to another solution. Let's check out how this one works. Choosing a monitor arm that doesn't break the bank is tough with the prices ranging from Rs 3,500 all the way to 12,000. I managed to snag one on Amazon Prime Day for much lower than its original price, but the regular price is Rs 5,950. Yes, it's pretty steep, but the benefits outweigh the price. Here's the arm out of the box. It supports monitors between 13 to 27 inches. If you do remember, mine is a 29-inch ultra-wide, but effective height of that is only 24 inches. And the most important thing to note is that the arm can hold a weight of up to 6.5 kilos, and my monitor being only 5.5 kilos works well with it. Everything necessary to mount the monitor is present in the box. This is how the monitor arm looks. You might notice it's folded in. This is to reduce the space required for packaging. Now a word of warning. The arm when folded in is held on by a plastic cable tie like strap. Opening this will make the arm open up suddenly, so make sure to not stand in its way, and also it's preferable to get someone to hold the arm down in place. Cut the strap and open the arm up slowly. Done. Now the monitor arm is open, so the next step is to install it. I got my electrician who was working in my house at that time to drill a hole for me on the table. So once the hole was made, we installed the stand using the bolt provided and tightened the grommet screw from below. Once set, we moved the monitor from its default stand to the monitor arm. Be careful while installing. The weight of the monitor will make the arm suddenly fall, so hold on to the monitor so as to not damage it. The monitor I have uses the standard 75x75 VESA mount, so install the screws and that's all that's necessary to get the monitor onto the arm. The arm, however, supports 75x75 all the way up to 117x117, so it does support a lot more monitors than only this size. An Allen key is provided to tighten the counterbalance so that it doesn't move too freely. It's set up just right. The monitor stays in place, and if I just use a little pressure, I can move it up or down and pivot it to the left or the right. It also tilts up and down so you can get the optimum viewing angle. The monitor can also be pushed back and pulled to the front. The screen can also be rotated to portrait mode if that is what you require. The monitor now has the flexibility to move wherever I need it on the fly. But do note, there are things to take into consideration when using any monitor arm. The hinges being a 3-hinge design doesn't move as you would generally expect it to. It takes some getting used to, but as my desk is in the middle of the room with nothing behind it, the arm has more freedom to move. Place the desk touching the wall, then the arm mount's movement can become more restricted. Also note how the wires are behind the arm. Keep enough slack wire so that the mount can move and not suddenly unplug a cable from behind when moved a bit farther. The mount does include a cable management storage to hide your wires within. The counterbalance spring works really well, requiring just a little force to move the monitor around. At its max, it reaches about 17.7 inches and can go as low as actually touching your desk. The monitor arm comes completely assembled, which is a big plus. You might notice that the monitor arm and the monitor are not centered and cannot be because of the design. It might annoy people who take aesthetics quite seriously. It's a simple and well-built monitor arm that uses a gas-filled counterbalance to provide the movement flexibility. So if you want more movement options as compared to the standard monitor stand provided, this is a great option. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Make sure to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Also click on the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching.